filling the petrol tank of the car is of no use until and unless there is, you can say, a pipeline which is going to carry that petrol to the engine of the car, right? Similarly, digesting the food, absorbing the nutrients and taking in oxygen is of no use until and unless there is a pipeline which is going to carry that absorbed nutrients, right, to the cells of the body, because the cells are the sites where these nutrients are actually required, actually needed. So, a pipeline system needs to be there in higher multicellular organisms which need the nutrients that need to reach to the cells, because cells are going to use those nutrients for obtaining energy and definitely to carry out the life processes. So, that pipeline system which is going to carry and transport that nutrients to each and every cell of the body, that pipeline system is nothing in your bodies but it is known as the circulatory system. So, we will be discussing the circulatory system, the pipeline system of your body in detail. Let us see what is there in your syllabus and what is the scope of the syllabus. We will be discussing the circulatory system, the main features of the structure and working of the heart, blood vessels, structure and functions of blood and circulation of blood, only the names of the main blood vessels entering and leaving the heart, liver and the kidney, they will be required. So, what is the scope of the syllabus? The composition of blood, structure and functions of RBCs, WBCs and platelets, brief idea of tissue fluids and lymph, increase in efficiency of mammalian red blood cells due to the absence of certain organelles should be explained with reasons, a brief idea of blood coagulation, structure of vein, artery and capillary should be explained with the help of diagram to bring out clearly the relationship between structure and function, then ABO blood group system, RH factor, concept of double circulation, concept of systole and diastole, blood pressure, reference to portal system should be made, working of the heart along with the terms and the names of the main blood vessels entering and leaving the heart, the liver and kidney, and the examination of blood smear under a microscope. So, by making this blood smear that I just told you, you cannot actually see under a microscope what type of cells do you have in your blood. So, you can perform this in your labs also, right, in your schools, in the labs. So, this is what we are going to discuss under circulatory system. This is what is the scope of your syllabus. Let us begin with this pipeline system of your bodies, that is the circulatory system.